Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about something that's music to the ears of anyone who dreams of escaping the 9-to-5 grind: passive income. But before you start picturing yourself on a beach sipping margaritas, don't worry, we'll get there. Let me introduce you to the secret weapon, dividend stocks. What are dividend stocks? Imagine this. You buy a little piece of a company, and like a generous friend, they share a portion of their profits with you every single quarter. That's right, free money just for owning a slice of the pie. By reinvesting those dividends, you can watch your passive income snowball over time. It's like planting a money tree that grows lazier than your neighbor's cat. So how do you become a dividend ninja? Step number 1, ditch the fear, embrace the research. Don't worry, you don't need a finance degree to understand this. Think of it like picking your favorite pizza toppings. You want companies with a solid track record of paying dividends, like pepperoni. Always reliable, always delicious. Do your research, read reviews, not just mine, and pick companies you believe in. Remember, investing is a marathon, not a sprint. Step number 2, choose your weapon, brokerage account. Think of this as your bat cave where you store your dividend-generating arsenal. There are tons of great options out there, so compare fees, features, and pick one that suits your investing style. Step number 3, assemble your dream team, dividend portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, unless it's a really big basket. Diversify your portfolio across different sectors and companies. Think of it like building a superhero team. You want a mix of Iron Mans, Captain Americas, and maybe even a Groot for good measure? Bonus tip, reinvest those dividends. Remember that snowball effect? Let your dividends buy more shares and watch your passive income grow faster than your weekend to-do list. The power of dividend stocks can fuel your passive income dreams. Remember, this is just the beginning. Do your research, invest wisely, and who knows? Maybe one day you'll be sipping margaritas on that beach. All thanks to the magic of dividends. I want to thank you all for subscribing. And if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and smash that like button. P.S. This is not financial advice. Always consult a professional before making any investment decisions. But hey, who doesn't love a little financial education with a side of fun? Share this video with your friends who are tired of the rat race. Let's build a community of passive income rock stars.